Plemunji seeds. Look at that. It's interesting. This is as I said, it's good to get a picture, an overall picture of the journey of forageable products. Okay, so here I am at the Little France Park, woodland floor, well, one of the regions. The part that seemed to have most of the wild leek seeds. And I remember starting my pre-spring vlog down at this area. I can recall well, it was my first time doing a pre-spring wild leek vlog. But now it's summer and there's no wild leek, but what I wanted to see are the seeds. Hello, are the seeds. And just as predicted, look how many wild leek seeds there are on the ground now. They're just everywhere, and it accounts for the footage that I showed you in the pre-spring vlog when you're able to see the surface bulbs pushing up shoots. This is the reason why, because they're not under the ground like the wild garlic seeds. Look, they're all on the surface, and it's summer and they just stay there, not moving. And I don't know if birds eat them or insects, but apparently the fact that we get wild leek plenty of wild leek during spring means that most of them still stayed right here. Look at how large this one is. Almost like a baby onion. Here are another two large wild leek seeds. Or plemunji. Okay. Plemunji seeds. Look at that. It's interesting. This is as I said, it's good to get a picture, an overall picture of the journey of forageable products. Because when I did the pre-spring vlog, I was interested to see what the plant looks like when it was tiny. Then I did a foraging one where I actually obtained some of the plants. I used some to make soup, some to make salads and bread, etc. Wild leek bread. Thus the Mativna that I posted online, Mativna, where the sandwiches were made from a bread that uses the wild leek. Now we're looking at summer, that's post-spring wild leek, and the result are the seeds. So chances are in the future, next year, I have to think about how I could possibly use these seeds to make menu. Now I have been experimenting. So the past few months, I think it was during May, what I did, I collect some of the seeds from the plant itself. The plants were dying, but the seeds were there for the taking, and I harvested some of the seeds. Now, you make your normal potato salad with your mayonnaise or vegan mayonnaise if you're vegan. And I might chop some red shallots and a little spring onion, but also maybe mixed peppers, a little green, a little yellow, and a little red, and mix it through. What I did was to add some of the seeds in it, and it was absolutely amazing. It added to the crunchiness of the potato salad. It was so nice. But you know where I found it most useful? It's not so much the potato salad, which was amazing, by the way. It was the sandwich. You see, I made tuna sandwich, but also vegan sandwich with a product called QSS. It's a type of curd soy. And I use it to make like a paste for the sandwich, the vegan sandwich, or if it's the tuna, for the tuna sandwich. So I add the respective mayonnaise, vegan or ordinary mayonnaise. So I add a little shallot, and because it was spring, I chopped some wild leek and incorporate it into the tuna mix. Yes, and then I add some of the seeds, these wild leek seeds, and boy, I am convinced I've got something there. It was just, and the thing is, it's not so potent, you see. Wherein it's the flavor is not so overpowering. It's that nice oniony taste, I think, something like that. But it's the crunchiness. So you're eating a sandwich and you get that nice crunchiness, just like how you would have with the chopped onion. But it have its own unique flavor from the onion, so you can taste the difference when you crunch into it and the onion. So crunch of the wild garlic, shallot, and the seed, the wild leek seed. You're eating the sandwich and you end up crunching all those three together, releasing their own unique flavors. This is how I thought the sandwich was enhanced with a new flavor that I cannot describe. I'll have to come up with a word for it, but it was just, it blew my mind. So I think this can be utilized late spring, that is. That's when the seeds are available, late spring. It can be utilized to make sandwiches, salads, but also bread. Now, if I recall, I perhaps have some pictures. So, my best bet, I need to recall if I've got the pictures, because this would be handy as evidence that actually I've experimented with them. I'm thinking, if I do find the pictures, I hope I do have them. If I do find the pictures, I will incorporate it. I will put it in the vlog, so you can see what it looked like. You might not be able to taste it, but I can tell you from now that it was absolutely amazing. So I think I'm on to something here. Now, it might be, and this is my best bet, it might be that there are those out there who are already doing it. Please let me know. What's your experience with using wild leek seeds in salads or for making sandwiches and so forth, or bread? Please tell me what your experience is like. So let's look at some other areas that's got them. It's all over the floor. So all this region that was covered with wild leek in the past, it's now the seeds waiting for next year. So the good thing is, I feel that it was great taking you on a journey, and it wasn't really intended maybe to go this far. I just wanted was to see what the plants look like when they were young and see how it's possible to distinguish it from other plants. But I end up doing the other vlog too when they were in season. Now, because I've tried the wild leek seeds, I'm now interested into seeing it. And because I was in the Little France Park foraging for raspberries, and my eye uh, glazed over them on the floor, I decided to do a separate vlog just for them, so you can have an idea what these seeds look like covering the woodland here in Little France. And they're everywhere. At least this part of the park. It's not all over Little France Park or Craigmillar, but especially on this side of the park. You remember the hillside was covered once with wild leek. The end result during summer is this. The seeds are left bare. Can you imagine if birds were eating them? The birds would be fortunate. And I believe they wouldn't have been as invasive as they are now. But because apparently rabbit holes. Rabbit hole. I don't know if the rabbits eat them either. I wonder. It will be right there by their doorstep, isn't it? There. And they won't have to face the danger of being eaten by bird of prey. You've got loads of kites in this area. So, and sometimes the odd eagle or pass by. There's another part I want to show you too that I thought was really nice for wild leek. I did one of the harvesting in this particular area, so let me see what it looks like for post spring wild leek. See how the seeds fared in this part of the forest. So let me see the best. Let me go down here. Yes, so remember I did a vlog where I was cutting some wild leek when it was wet and rainy. So now I'm revisiting this area, and also it's covered with the seeds. Look, everywhere, absolutely everywhere. It's amazing. All these leaves and branches and so forth, once they start to decay, helps with the nutrient content. So during springtime this area is lush because there's so much to be added in this type of soil. And look at all these leaves when fall arrives, when autumn arrives, and they start to fall and decay. So by spring, this area will be rich with nutrients, which means that they will do absolutely well. Hopefully, yes, we'll have a nice harvest for next year too. This is also on this side. Wild leek seeds. It's strange because I'm sure the average person would pass this without even thinking about wild leek. They probably pass wild leek so many times and don't even consider anything about it. But something like this is what I'm interested in because I'm a big forager. I love this type of thing. Look at that. And it's all over. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, thanks again for watching another Oy'Nissh vlog. This one was more spontaneous because I was in the area foraging for raspberry, and I just thought that seeing that the wild leek seeds are easy to spot now, I might as well do a vlog about it. But it's the extent to which it covers the place that amazes me. All where you saw wild leek in the past during the other vlogs, you now have the seeds. So it's pretty impressive. You might just miss it while walking here, but if you just look next time you're passing the Little France Park, you'll be able to see it. And it makes such a difference during springtime, adding to the carpet of the area. So thanks again for journeying along with me on this foraging experience. Wild leek seeds are Plemunje seeds. Thank you.